How to fix your ear speaker on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you some simple tricks on how to fix it. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now you have to scroll down and find the option called Accessibility. Tap on it and again scroll down on your screen and find the option called Hearing Devices, which is right under the title called Hearing. Now turn on the hearing aid compatibility by turning on the toggle. Once you do this, it will improve your audio quality. I also have another solution. Now scroll up to your screen and tap on the option called Touch. Now scroll down on your screen and find the option called Call Audio Routing. Here in these three options, you have to tap on the option called Speaker. Once you follow these steps, your ear device will automatically be fixed and it will start working now. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.